So guys, this is my strawberry banana grape smoothie without yogurt or milk. Very tasty, very delicious. Go ahead and try it. So good. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a strawberry banana grape smoothie without yogurt. Yes, so before I go, remember to like, share and comment on my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you so much guys. Okay, and remember to follow me on all social at Anbooth. All right, thank you so much. So let's dive right into the video. Okay, so I have here some strawberry washed, grape wash and banana, and I have my coconut water and my blender. So this smoothie is gonna be without any yogurt. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm gonna peel the banana, add it to the blender. I'm excited to see how this one gonna taste, guys. No yogurt. So okay, some grapes, wash, and I'm using the red ones. The green ones, guys, I found out that the green grapes are less sweet. I'm not so sure if anybody has the same experience, but yeah. So I'm gonna remove this the plant from it, the what do you call that now, whatever that is, guys. I'm removing it from it. Cut it up. So I'm gonna use a few, and this is exotic fruit. Which is sweet. Okay. I'm using this coconut water today. It's without the pulp. I'm gonna add it. Add roughly a cup. So none of these fruits are frozen today. They're all not frozen. I'm gonna cover. It's so hard to cover sometimes, guys. So tight. I'm gonna blend. There you have it, guys, all done. Strawberry banana grape smoothie without yogurt. I believe that's the name. Okay, I'm gonna glass this now. Wow. So the grape, I believe it's the grape that allow those skin. He's sitting that in it. But the color is beautiful. See? It's the grape. So let's taste it. Come on now. This without the yogurt is to die for. Very tasty, very delicious. Yeah. Super. That's what I'm talking about. milk, coconut water, no yogurt. Go ahead and try it, guys. Those of you who are lactose intolerant and vegetarian that don't take milk, you can go ahead and try this smoothie. It's very, 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 very delicious. Okay, no yogurt, no milk. Okay, only fruits and coconut water. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. Remember to like, share, and comment on my videos. Thank you so much. Until my next video. Bye.